Today I'm presenting Instant Thesis, an in-class writing exercise. I find that my students are anxious about writing, yet writing is the way that I evaluate them with respect to our course goals. I want my students to write using good theses, but oftentimes they don't know what a thesis is or what kind of thesis I'm looking for. For me, a thesis is a statement that makes an original argument that requires defense. Oftentimes, that defense is implied within the thesis itself or in the sentences surrounding it. Alternatively, you can think of a thesis as an original answer to a question. However, students are often confused as to what original means. For me, an original answer is one that you came up with yourself, not one that someone else gave you. In order to model this kind of thesis for my students, I do this in-class writing exercise with them. I give them a question. In this case, what does it mean to be human according to Marx? I then provide them with an answer that has 3 blanks that they must fill in. Marx believes that humanness consists of blank, the student's thesis. Because blank, evidence from Marx's text. And finally, a blank for the citation. I include because in there because it directs students to articulate their original statement about Marx with Marx's statement in his text. We complete these exercises together and then afterwards discuss the process and the content of their answers. By doing these together, I also model for them the process of looking through a text and writing out a thesis, a skill that they must also master. On the other side of this paper, you can see an example that I did in class where I asked students to articulate Thomas Frank's piece on education in Harper's Magazine with Adam Smith's account of education in The Wealth of Nations.